Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to increase your limit on PayPal. First, open your web browser or the PayPal mobile app. Log into your PayPal account using your email address and password. Once you are logged in, go to your overview page. Go to Account Settings. Inside Account Settings, find the section called Account Access. And under that section, select Limits and then click on View. After you open the Limits page, you will see information about your current sending or receiving limits. Look for a button that says Lift Limits. Click on this button to start the process of increasing your limit. PayPal will now ask you to verify your account. This step is very important. You may be asked to link a bank account or add a debit or credit card. Follow the instructions on the screen to enter your bank or card details. PayPal may send small test amounts to your bank account. You will need to confirm these amounts to complete the verification. In some cases, PayPal may ask for extra documents. This usually happens if your account is new or if there is unusual activity. Thanks for watching.